Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Favor Beauty World channel, and I've come again with another mind-blowing video. So in this particular video you'll be seeing this amazing hairstyle tutorial, how to make this braid hairstyle in order for it to come out so neat and perfect. Some people call this particular hairstyle pop smoke braid hairstyle. I don't know why it is given that name, but left for me, I'll say that this is a 3-step braid hairstyle transformation. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Favor Beauty World. Please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Like and leave a comment to my returning viewers and subscribers. For those of you that always give my video a thumbs up, that is liking it. Thank you guys so much. Your support and love is much appreciated. So guys, let's talk about this particular braid hairstyle. Look at how neat and beautiful that this braid hairstyle is looking. The hairstylist actually did a perfect job here, because one thing is wanting to make a particular braid and another thing is meeting a good hairstylist that will give you what you want. Yes, so that it will not be a case of what I ordered versus what I got. So guys, watch this video and learn how to make it so that actually you can recreate yours, or you can show it to that your hairstylist, then your hairstylist will be able to recreate yours for you. Try and check out other of our videos too in this particular channel, because I have so many amazing hairstyle transformation videos in this channel that I know that you my girlies will love so much. Yes, because I know you guys love good things. That is why I keep bringing to you guys good hairstyles, amazing hairstyle transformation and all that. If you have watched this video to this extent and you're yet to give a thumbs up, this is me telling you to please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel as well, and God will definitely bless you for that. Tell me, where are you watching from? Let us know the country you're watching from, so that we can send you a welcome hug. Thanks for watching. Bye.